Moving now to KwaZulu-Natal, the corruption trial against Zandile Gumede is going to be heard on the 18th of July in the High Court in Pietermaritzburg. The former eThekwini mayor and her 21 co-accused were in the dock today, where the matter was once again postponed to allow for further details to be finalised.
The accused face charges of corruption, racketeering and fraud relating to a solid waste tender of more than 300 million rand. Lethiwe Mdluli reports.
The case against former eThekwini Mayor Zandile Gumede has been once again postponed by the Durban Magistrates Court. The reason for the postponement this time was that the defence attorneys of the accused have requested further particulars from the state. Gumede and her co-accused are facing a slew of charges, including racketeering, money laundering and corruption charges stemming from an irregular municipal waste tender that was worth over 300 million rand. She was arrested back in 2019 by the Hawks on accusations that she and others received kickbacks from service providers after issuing the solid waste tender back in 2016. Some of the defence attorneys, including Zandile Gumede's attorney, complained that the state was not responding quick enough to previous requests for further particulars, while the state has said that they have heeded to every request.
The matter was previously adjourned for today, and that was for requests for further particulars from a few of the defence counsel for the accused in this matter. The state had in the interim responded to these requests for further particulars. Today in court, the state once again received further requests for further and better particulars from the state. So the matter was adjourned for the state to respond to those applications. The matter has now been adjourned to the 18th of July till the 31st of August, and that will be for trial. The trial will be heard in the Pietermaritzburg High Court.
The state still maintains that they are ready for trial.
You know, we still maintain we're ready for trial. And if you look at the reason for the postponement, it's just requests from the defence counsel for us to respond to them. So that's as plain as it is.
Gumede's supporters also came out to show support to the former mayor. They've been calling for the trial to begin, accusing the state of stalling. Speaking outside the court, Njabulo Mchunu, who speaks for the branches that support Gumede, said they are once again disappointed by the postponement.
We feel that there was no reasoning for this pre-trial to not comment today. That is our feeling, that 3 years down the line, the state still does not want to respond to some further particulars requested by some of the co-accused. You know, it's really disappointing for us. We are very disappointed.
Gumede and her co-accused face a total of 2,793 charges, and the trial is set to begin July 18. Lethiwe Mdluli, Durban.